We are on my front porch with DonO and Dawson and Elsa off camera. We are drinking the last bottle, the last evidence of a beer called Auld Procrastinator American Irish Red Ale.
Yeah.
Irish American Red Lager. Because it's usually...
I did it with a lager.
Yeah.
You did it with an ale yeast.
I did.
Viva la de France.
It's a Dawson recipe from MASHMAKER. Kind of what's the setup? This is the natural follow-up to the Rye Irish Stout, right?
Yeah. When you don't have enough beer and you're in a hurry, which I feel like is a situation you often find yourself in, it's a quick turn red beer that you can turn around for a variety of occasions. Mainly St. Patrick's Day, but suitable for any time of the year.
It's pretty red.
In the book, you set it up like if in early March you realize you don't have enough beer for St. Patrick's Day, brew this, quick turn. So, Brew For Good, this non-profit charity event that we do for homebrewing sampling, it was coming up. I hadn't brewed yet, so I was like, here we go. So like early June, I brewed this, and it was servable and excellent by, I think, June 15th.
Wait, you didn't plan ahead?
Negative.
That's the point.
Are you getting this?
So
Wow.
that's where the procrastinator part comes in.
Touche.
So what makes this recipe work? It's like 8 pounds MCI Irish stout malt, 3 ounce roasted barley. You call for 12 ounce of some UK 55 Levabon crystal. All I had was that double roast crystal from Simpsons, which is way darker than 55, so I cut it in half. So yeah, what I like about this beer is it is meaty, I would say. It's clean, but it's meaty. It's a little roasty. The Palisade hop is kind of lemony.
Yeah.
Citrusy, but not like California citrus, bro. Not America's citrus, bro.
Right.
Florida.
It's kind of old school Florida, Texas.
Where can you grow oranges?
Yeah.
It's really smooth and clean and drinkable, like you say.
Yeah. When the first time I drank it, and it was really clear, surprisingly clean for only like 10 or 11 days old, I was just like, yeah, remember red ales that weren't...
Barely.
Yeah, that weren't like syrupy sweet or just like bone dry.
What I like about this iteration, where you halved the crystal but used a darker color, is that it really leaned out the body. It's very like dry. And
that malt gives a lot of raisin and different significant contributive flavors, and they're not coming through as much as if you... I think I made a beer one time, I made a Scotch ale, and it's like a pound of it. So it was a lot of the DRC in there, and it came through strongly and nicely. I mean, it contributed, but this is pretty slight on whatever that would be contributing. But it's it's just really clean and drinkable. It is. It's almost like dryish in a way too. It's not like overly sweet. That's nice.
So you said you went through a Palisade phase in your recipe development.
I don't know what precipitated this. I think there was something in like the exotic European genetic background of Palisade that kind of fascinated me about it. And I went through a Palisade jag probably 10 or 12 years ago.
Where is it from?
It's an American hop, but it's got a bunch of like Central European, like German and, don't quote me on this, but maybe Swiss genetics as well. Yeah. And it's kind of like mid-range alpha, nice, noble-ish aromatics, and some, kind of mild fruit notes.
I remember it popped up in a lot of kits around the same time when like people were messing with Santium. I think people were just trying to do anything that wasn't Cascade, Centennial, Chinook.
Yeah.
Probably not even Chinook back then, but not Hallertau and not Fuggle either.
Was this Voyager?
This was the Voyager yeast. So Dawson's recipe calls for Cali Common for a quick turnaround. That's why it's kind of a lager with a quick turnaround, but I did the Voyager, and it tore through it really quick, and it was ready to drink in 11 days.
Brew in the bag?
This would be, a brew in a bag. Dark roasty beer. with
Not overly roasty though.
yeah,
Either.
yeah, yeah. Not like a port or anything by far.
No. I mean, I'm like doing the Chip Walton. I'm drinking it down.
It's a race.
Here.
So yeah, if you're in a
Not
hurry
good.
and you need to turn a beer really quick, and you don't want it to be like a 3.8% session IPA, you want it to have something with some bones to it. Maybe it's not even. I mean, like you said, March would have been better if I brewed this in March. I brewed it in June. This is definitely a good St. Patrick's Day beer.
Tastes pretty good in July though too.
It does. Got a little cool breeze sneaking in. Fall's trying to sneak into our lives.
No, don't do that.
Don't jinx
You
it.
always are 1 or 2 seasons ahead. Enjoy the moment. It's summer. Enjoy it.
All right.
Jeebus.
All right. So this beer in 3 words, real quick, from screen left to right.
Clean, drinkable, reddish.
Red, not too roasty. That's one word because it's hyphenated. User friendly, also one word because it's hyphenated.
Surprisingly hoppy,
1 word or 2?
It's hyphenated.
but not too meaty bones. This would be
That
if we could-
3-word thing is.
How would I make
Didn't
this
really
smoke?
work
How would
out.
I make this smoke procrastinator?
1 or 2
Substitute.
pounds of beechwood.
Yeah, substitute some beechwood or oak smoked malt for some of the base malt in it.
Okay. I could see that for sure.
That would be a nice autumn beer
Yeah.
if you're into
Yeah.
not procrastinating,
Old-
anticipating.
Old Smokinator.
Relaxinator. Take it easy, Anator.
Alright,
Chillinator.
the recipe's online. We'll put it below. Thanks to the Growler for letting us share it. Thanks to MASHMAKER for letting us share it. Go get your copy of MASHMAKER. Brew this beer for fall time. And then again next March. Cheers. Woo! Old for old.
I'm out.
Procrastination.
This lighting looks pretty good, actually. There's a lot of table,
What were we
though.
worried
Halfway
about?
through this, I was like, dude, I want to go over there and tilt this up a little bit. Like, it's almost like something's supposed to happen with this table because of how prominent the table is in that shot. Like Eric Andre show, like someone should bust up under the shit and go, rah!
We're showing that.
I should just put a logo right here, like Imperial Yeast.
Oh yeah, you should sell ad space on the table.
There you go.
That's what you should do.
Oh, jeez.
Put a cling on it.
A Klingon?
If you like it, you should have put a cling